Good morning, kindergarten. How are you today? I have another book for us today, and it's called 10 Little Rubber Ducks, and it's by Eric Carle. You know, there's something interesting about this book in particular, and one thing I find interesting anyway, is that this story was actually inspired by something that really happened in real life. This isn't the exact story of what happened, but it was inspired by, which means something real happened and it gave the author an idea to write a story about it. So in 1992, a shipment of 29,000 rubber ducks fell off a ship into the ocean. That was enough for this author to write a whole story about it. So let's read it and see how it is. 10 Little Rubber Ducks. Chuckity-chuckity-chuck goes the rubber duck machine. Out pop little yellow rubber ducks, one after the other. The little rubber ducks are painted, bills red and eyes blue. Then they are packed 10 to a box, and off they go to be loaded onto a cargo ship. "Hello," calls the captain. The captain and his cargo ship are taking the little rubber ducks across the wide sea to faraway countries. Suddenly, a storm churns the water into big waves, and a strong wind whistles across the sea. A big wave lifts up one of the boxes and throws it into the water. The box opens and 10 little rubber ducks fall out. "10 rubber ducks overboard!" shouts the captain. After some time, the storm calms down. The 10 little rubber ducks bob in the big wide sea. As far as one can see, only water and sky. The 10 little ducks begin to drift apart. Let's count them together, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first little rubber duck drifts west. A dolphin hops over it. The second little rubber duck drifts east. A seal barks at it. The third little duck drifts north, and a polar bear growls at it. The fourth little rubber duck drifts south, and a flamingo stares at it. The fifth little rubber duck drifts to the left. A pelican chatters at it. The sixth little rubber duck drifts to the right. A turtle glides past it. The seventh little rubber duck drifts up, and an octopus blinks at it. The eighth little rubber duck drifts down, and a seagull screeches at it. The ninth little rubber duck drifts this way. A whale sings to it. The 10th little rubber duck drifts that way, bobbing and floating on the big wide sea. The sun is setting. It is getting dark. As far as one can see, only water and sky. The next morning, the 10th little rubber duck meets a real mother duck and her ducklings. "Quack," says the mother duck. "Quack, quack, quack," say the ducklings. At the end of the day, the sun sets again. It is getting dark, and the mother duck and her ducklings swim towards their nest. The little rubber duck floats along with them. Can you spot the rubber duck? That's right. It's right there. Good night, says the moon. Quack, says the mother duck. Quack, 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 say the ducklings. Queek, says the little rubber duck. The end. I like this story. I like seeing where all the ducks went. I hope you enjoyed it too. And I hope you're having a great day. Bye.